Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems for GRE out of this book here, practicing to take the GRE General Test, the 10th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you're going to find on page number 327, quantitative comparison questions, hence the QC, number 9, the very last one on the page. Let's take a look at it. You have to have the book in front of you, and it's even a better idea actually for you to have tried these questions on your own first, and then compare your work versus what we do together. Let's take a look at it. It says n equals 105 point something. The hell with it, just 105 something. And they want you to compare, they give you 105.873 as if there is some freaking meaning in it. There isn't, it's just there to annoy you. If you like, you can round it up to 106, I don't care, you leave it at 105. They want you to compare this quantity n times 10 raised to third divided by 10 to 10 raised to fifth power versus 1. This is your column B. Well, let's take a look at it. They tell us that n equals 105, and if it bothers you, if it annoys you too much, make it 106. Round it up if you like. Okay? N equals 106. Let's put it in here. That's where the n is. Put it in here. And then this quantity, how can we work with this quantity? 10 raised to third over 10 to the fifth, which is same as 1000 over 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. If we were to divide the top and the bottom by 1000, if I were to take this fraction and divide the numerator by 1000, it becomes 1. If I were to divide the denominator by 1000, I can get rid of these 3 zeros. In other words, we can knock out these 3 zeros. I'm going to erase it now, what I just did, and redo it in the manner that would be approved by my teacher. Reminds me of the days of the schoolboys days. So if you were to divide top and the bottom by 10, you can knock out 1 zero. If you divide again top and the bottom by the 10, you can knock out another 0, and then that. So you're left with 1 over 100. So this thing actually boils down to 105 over 100. That's what it boils down to. Oh, actually I changed it to 106, didn't I? Like I keep telling you, it makes no difference. 106 divided by 100, whatever the hell it is more than a 1. How do we know it's more than a 1? Because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. What exactly it is, we are not interested in it. It is not quantitative computation. It is not called quantitative computation. These questions are called quantitative comparison. Just compare the bloody thing, don't compute it. Don't sit there and waste your time and proudly announce to me that the final answer is 1.05873. Nobody's going to give you any extra credit for that. It was a waste of time if you did it that way. Okay? So 106 over 100 has to be more than a 1. Therefore the answer is 8. That's all. That's it. We're done. It's more than 1. We're not interested in what it is. We're just only interested in knowing whether or not it's equal to 1, whether it's equal to 1, less than 1, or more than 1. We just found out that this quantity is more than 1. That's all. We're not interested in what it is. We are only interested in what it is not. It is not 1, and it is not less than 1. It is more than 1. Alright? That's all there was. That's it, we're done. I hope you found it helpful. If you wish to get hold of me for personal private tutoring, I do face-to-face tutoring in person. I also tutor online via Skype, and I also tutor over the telephone. If there is anything at all that I can help you in your preparation for GRE, get hold of me by sending me an email. Go to my website at www.prep.gre.com and send me an email. Or you can go to www.KeshwaniPrep.com and send me an email. Alright? Thanks.